Welcome to Decor Like Dream. Here's a counterintuitive luxury tip. Remove one bulky piece and the whole open layout feels custom. Today we're diving into trendy modern luxury living rooms that blend calm minimalism with indulgent comfort. Think sculptural seating, quiet textures, and hospitality-level lighting. I'll share strategies that work whether your space is compact or expansive, renter or owner. Expect seasonal switches, budget moves, and design principles you can apply immediately for elevated living. Start with zoning, the backbone of every open layout. Define a conversation area, dining nook, and flexible corner for reading or work using rug sizes, ceiling lighting, and furniture orientation. Float the sofa to shape pathways rather than pushing it to walls. Anchor with a rug slightly wider than the seating group and echo that width with a slim console. This creates clarity, circulation, and a natural rhythm that keeps the room social without feeling scattered. Choose a palette that whispers wealth. Build from warm whites, soft taupe, and mushroom, then deepen with charcoal, espresso wood, or smoked bronze. Introduce a single saturated note, midnight blue, merlot, or forest green, for mood. Use controlled contrast. Matte walls against brushed metal, bouclé next to polished stone. Keep undertones aligned so daylight reads serene and evenings feel cinematic. This approach adapts across styles, from contemporary to transitional, while maintaining a consistent, luxurious vibe. Texture delivers the drama you feel, not just notice. Combine nubby wool, ribbed velvet, and linen with natural stone, smoked glass, and patinated brass. Repeat 3 to 5 motifs so the room feels layered, not loud. Oversized art or a sculptural mirror extends sight lines and bounces light. For practicality, consider performance fabrics and porcelain slabs that mimic marble. The result is tactile richness that handles real life while projecting calm, couture confidence throughout the space. Light like a director. Create 3 layers. Ambient from a linear chandelier or a balanced recessed grid. Task from floor or table lamps near seating. Accent from wall washers and shelf lighting. Dim everything so evenings glow rather than glare. Tuck LED strips under consoles or in coves to trace architecture. Favor warm temperatures at night and neutral warm during the day. Great lighting sculpts furniture, flatters finishes, and defines zones without building walls. If this inspired your next move, join the conversation at Decor Like Dream. Tell me which idea you'll try first, ask design questions, and share your living room wins. Your support grows this community, so please like, share, and subscribe my channel for weekly modern luxury strategies, budget-friendly tips, and open layout solutions that turn everyday rooms into extraordinary sanctuaries. Thanks for spending time elevating your home. See you in the next episode.